Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change store name on Shopify. First thing you do is you log into your Shopify account using your credentials, using your favorite browser. And next thing you do, from the home menu here, click on home. Make sure you have this menu on the right here. Then you click on store settings and then click on store settings. Then you can see name your store. So you click on name store. Your temporary store name is currently my store. The store name appears in your admin and your online store. You change it by clicking on name store. So you change the name. Let's say I want to name my store Kitty around. And that's it. That will appear on your website. And then you click on save. You can also have store phone. It's as simple as that. That is how to name your store on Shopify or change the store name on Shopify. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this one which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.